we're back. Now, we're going to go ahead. What we have for this experiment, it's just for fun. It's something you can do at home and use your friends. All you need is a penny.
Water.
And
an eyedropper.
Something to drop it down with it, like an eyedropper, a medicine dropper, maybe a little dropper from maybe some incense oil or something. Or you can even just take a straw
and do it
and make little drops from a straw. Okay? So, if you have all those things, what we're going to be doing is putting drops of water directly on top of a flat penny. But before we do it, we should make a guess about what we think based on what we already know about pennies and about water. But first, we've already done it, so we kind of know already. So we're not going to make a guess. What do you think we should do?
I think we should make a, what is it called?
Educated guess?
Yeah, an educated guess. And just say, like, how many drops of water we think could fit on one penny.
Okay, so think to yourself, I know a little bit about a drop of water. I know about the size of a penny. I've made drops of water, so I think maybe 10. Or I think 20, or I think 1,000. Whatever you think. Make your prediction first before we do it so that you can see how close you were.
Yeah, comment down below what you think it is.
That's right. So make your pause before we do it, make your prediction, and then watch and see.
So pause the video, go down there. We'll give you a minute to think about it, and we'll be back.
A few moments later.
All right, now we're back, and let's go ahead and get started. You guys can go very carefully. Y'all can do it to each your own penny, and let's see what you get.
Observations?
We're going to make an observation after we're done. Yeah. We've already made our guess based on what we know, and we're going to have a conclusion. Count them as you do them. You can count yourself. What they're doing is they're trying to see how many drops they can get on top before it spills over. So let's see. Ooh, I can see bulging water making a dome on top of some of these pennies. Oh, Lane spilled over. How many did you get?
I got 24.
24. Okay, good.
I would have gotten more. I think I would have, but mine just fell over.
Oh. You touched it, yeah.
I didn't touch it. I had a little bit of water on my finger, and I touched on the side. It got a little water there. And the
you know what? That's part of the reason.
Because water connects to water.
That's right. Water likes water. They stick together.
That's the lesson about this. Because that's why we're trying to do it. That's why you think it's just going to be like a flat down. Just when you finish the whole thing.
Let's see what Addie got. Hang on. You're right. And you are more educational than me sometimes. Okay, how many did you get?
17.
17.
So yeah. You think it's just gonna be flat down, but water sticks to water, so it can get like really high and turn into like a big dome.
Yeah.
Because water connects to water.
I got 47.
47.
I said around 40. I said around 40.
Okay. So what do you think? Did you guess 2 or 3? Are you surprised at that many?
Yeah.
Or what? And it's just like Lenny was saying, that water likes to stick to water, and it's kind of like when you say you have a pitcher full of water, and you try to pour it into a cup. Sometimes, what does it do when you're trying to pour it in the cup?
It's like the water sticks together and it falls down into your cup.
Yeah, it gets all stuck up on the side and it spills everywhere. Well, that's the same reason. Water likes to connect to water, and that's the same reason when you're in the swimming pool and you do a belly flop on top of that water.
The droplets are bigger because they're all sticking together.
All sticking together, and
that's
it's not like when I was a little girl, I thought, oh, he fell on a TV show. Oh, he fell out of a helicopter, but he landed in the water, so he's okay. But when you're that high up and you hit water that's all connected, it's like concrete.
Like when you do a cannonball, like the water comes up and it stays together, so because it'll come down.
Yeah.
And
water always stays together. Like if you have a pool, your water is together.
That's right.
yeah, like when you do the cannonball, that's why all the water comes up and like just lines just
It's like
going
it makes
straight
way
up
for you. It's like
because
a
water
runway.
sticks together, so it like it won't just be like some like drops. Since like
Comes
you
up in a
slam down, the
splash.
water comes up, and that's why a lot of water comes up because water sticks to water. So that's
True.
why.
Water
Because
likes
the
water.
water comes like the water like is like it's in the swimming pool and like the water stays together and like it goes all like up.
It does, and then it comes back down thanks to gravity, huh?
Yeah.
Gravity's
We
what
didn't have
got
gravity,
Grammy
we
when
would
she wrecked her bicycle, huh?
Grammy, can you wipe this?
You bet. Here. Okay, so we just did that for fun, but it's something that you can repeat at home if you'd like to.
Yeah.
And maybe you could amaze your mom and dad because like maybe they don't realize that you can get that many drops of water on a penny. So, you know, try it out, see how many you can get. We got between 17 and 47. So it all depends on, you know, if you have water on your finger and your finger touches it or what happens. Okay.
That's why you usually have to do it one-handed. Just like keep your other hand down and just. And you gotta do your drops slowly.
So remember, we talked about matter today, and we talked about how matter can be water, matter can be air, a gas, but it can also be
A solid.
So we'll talk about that next time. And the thing about water is really interesting when you talk about these things. So next time, that's what we're going to do.
I got 17 drops.
Again? All right. So signing off.
Bye. This is Science with Grammy.
Bye.
Subscribe and like the channel.
Okay.
Help me count. We're gonna get like 50 on this one. Alright. 1, 2,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
8.
7,
We're at 8 actually. 9,
9,
10,
10,
11,
11, 12,
13. I'm at 13. Keep helping me count, okay?
13,
Next one's gonna be 14.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26,
Don't touch it.
27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Oh, 32. I like the way it looks.
No, actually not 32.
You don't think?
31. 32 made it fail.
Oh.
Yeah.